I think there's a reason people have core values, but I think the reason that Girlfriends has core values is because these are guiding principles that this company lives by. It's really the only place I've ever worked that embraces those core values and makes it a part of everything they do.
And what a great honor that is for Girlfriends. I think it's because of their core values.
You know, when Chris started the company, I think she had a vision of what she wanted it to be like, and the core values help guide everyone to meet that vision.
It allows us to work on something collectively and individually, and we want to exude those traits to our customers, the people that we associate with and with each other as coworkers.
Each day there's just something that I learn, and I'm really appreciative that I learned it, and then I feel like it makes us all better as a company.
I love all my coworkers.
I like my coworkers.
I love the people.
And that helps me a lot because I'm not afraid of them. I can ask them questions. They're very supportive.
I started working here when I was at a pretty low point, and it really helped me to be in a more supportive environment where I knew I could count on people if I was having a hard day.
I haven't always had people that I work with that are as kind as here.
This is a community. This is truly a community, and the employees are part of that community. The customers are part of that community.
We have got the most loyal customers on the planet. They love Girlfriends.
And I will still go back to our customers are just some of the best folks out there. It's a lot of fun when you come to serve people like that.
And I really do think it's because of the core values that we have and that we exhibit every day, from our customer care, being, taking care of them so nicely on the phone, and us getting our packages out in a timely manner. I think it's the core values.